If you want to improve your splits and middle splits, then follow along to this routine daily. For the first stretch, lay on your back and then pull one leg up as close to your chest as you can. To start, keep your leg bent. If this is your first time trying this routine, it's totally fine if you can't go very deep into the stretches yet. As you continue to do these stretches often, your flexibility should improve. Now try to straighten your leg as much as you can to feel a stretch in your hamstring. If you can get your leg fully straight, you can pull it closer to your chest like I'm demonstrating, or if you already feel a stretch with your foot pointing towards the ceiling, that's totally fine too. Next, lift your leg as high as you can again, but this time lay on your side. Just lift your leg as high as you can. If your foot's pointing towards the ceiling, that's totally fine as long as you feel a stretch. You can now lower your leg and then sit in as wide of a straddle as you can do. Once you are sitting in a straddle, reach out and then reach one hand towards its opposite foot. Now switch to reach to the other side. For the next stretch, place both feet together to do butterfly stretch. Once you are sitting like this, push down on your knees to feel a deeper stretch in your hips. This is a great stretch for getting or improving your middle split. Remaining in your butterfly stretch, reach up and then reach forward for an even deeper stretch. Next, straighten one leg and reach over top of it to stretch your hamstring. Next, rotate your hips to face the leg that is bent to go into pigeon stretch, which is one of my favorite hip stretches. Once you're as low into a pigeon stretch as you can do, reach up and over top of the front leg for a deeper stretch. If that's a bit too difficult for now, feel free to do this stretch sitting up straight.
So your tears been running like a waterfall. Thought the stars would never let you down. And you keep on thinking you could save yourself, but that's love, that's just love.
Staying in your pigeon stretch, reach for the back foot and try to pull in your back leg as far as you can. During this, you should be feeling a good stretch in your back leg as well as your hip of the front leg.
That's just love, that's just love. You will get back up again, even if you don't know when. And it feels like the world is coming down.
next stretch, we are just going to do a simple lunge because this is one of the best stretches you can do to get your front splits. In your lunge, make sure that your knee is in line with your foot and that you're pushing your back leg towards the ground.
Every time you feel the walls are closing in, and it seems like nothing makes it better, you should try to remember that's just how it is when it comes to love.
Next, straighten the front leg and bend the back one to go into a backwards lunge. To get the deepest stretch possible in this, try to reach forward and flex your front foot.
Sometimes it can be beautiful. That's just love. That's just love. You will get back up again, even if you don't know when. And it feels like the world is coming down on you. You have to move on. Deal with your broken.
Staying in the backwards lunge, reach your arms underneath the front leg to feel a deeper stretch in your hamstring. Next, it's time to do front splits on this side. Just go as low as you can into the split, and if you'd like even more of a challenge, you can lift your hands off the ground like I'm doing to sink further into the splits. It will take some time, but if you stay consistent with doing this routine daily, your splits should improve over time. For the next stretch, we are going to do 10 side lunges to stretch out your hips before we do middle splits.
I bet you think that I should calm down, and that I'm overthinking everything.
Once you have completed your lunges, step your feet in closer together and then turn your feet out to the side to do plies. This is also a great move to do to open up your hips before middle splits. We are going to do 10 plies.
But I don't know that much about you. What things you like and what you don't. It's not that long since I met you for the first time.
Once you're finished your plies, slide into as low of a middle split as it takes for you to feel a stretch.
Before I'm too invested, I should probably ask you all my questions, get to know you better. Like, can you be trusted? Will you take me for granted? And will you let me down?
You can now come out of your middle split, and because it is so important to stretch both sides, we are going to repeat the leg stretches we did on the other leg. For the first one, bend one leg in and reach over the straight leg to stretch your hamstring.
It kinda makes me go crazy. But we should take it slow, work things out so you don't let me go. When I come real close, I don't wanna get hurt, 'cause I'm not ready.
It's now time to go into pigeon stretch on this side, starting by reaching over the bent leg. You are so close to completing the entire routine now, so don't give up, you got this.
Ask you all my questions, get to know you better. Like, can you be trusted? Will you take me for granted? And will you let me down? Before I'm too invested, you should take it easy. Maybe we could test this and work out our feelings. Baby,
Staying in the pigeon stretch, you can now bend in the back leg like we did on the other side. Next up is a lunge.
Before I'm too invested,
now go into the backwards lunge.
Before I'm too invested, we should take it easy. Maybe we could test this and work out our feelings. Baby, when I love you, tell me, do you want me? And will you let me down? We get down to
Reach under your front leg for a deeper stretch.
we get down, down to the beat, y'all. We get down to the beat, y'all. It's like we're not going anywhere. Maybe it's because there's something in the air. And I don't even care. No, I don't even care.
It's now time to do splits on this leg, and again, just go as slow as you can to feel a stretch.
Losing all track of time. I just got one thing on my mind. Baby, one day I'm hoping that you will be mine. Turn my life around. Wow. So where do we go when everything feels like?
For the next stretches, lay on your back, and there's only a couple stretches left, so no point in stopping now. For the first one, you're going to pull your leg up to your chest with it bent, like we did in the beginning, but this time do it with the opposite leg.
This is what we do. We get down to the beat, y'all. We get down to the beat, y'all. Let's get down. We get down to the beat, y'all. Yeah, it's like I'm stuck in this misty cloud.
Now straighten your leg, and if you want a deeper stretch, you can pull it closer to your chest like I'm demonstrating.
And I don't even care. No, I don't even care anymore. It's like we're losing all track of time. I just got one thing on my mind. Baby, one day I'm hoping that you will be mine. Turn my life around. Wow. Yeah.
Repeat the leg lift, except laying on your side.
Where do we go when everything feels like it just stays the same? Where do we go from here when everything is set?
And this is our final stretch, so great job, and remember, in order to get true and lasting results, you need to do this consistently, so I recommend following along to this routine daily, or at least 3 to 5 days a week, and I really hope it helps you improve your splits.